Okay, so a little bit of why I'm giving this talk. It's motivated by experiences from my freelance career. I think it was made relevant by this great shift to remote work. The Corona crisis did give a big push to remote work. Now, let's say that part is over and we have those calls to get back to the office. I still think remote work got a foothold that it did not completely lose when things normalized. They are faced with logistical challenges and maintaining security standards, which are often enforced by law compliance. Okay, and the logistical challenges being, if I hire somebody halfway across the globe from me, I need to deliver equipment to that person and ensure it's not compromised on the way. We want to give our development team an environment that is pre-configured both per project and per team. So here we're talking about the architectural standards and practices that a corporation would have, or a company, as to what tools you should be using, code style, CI practices, whatever. These can be packaged easily. As you see, we'll be working with Docker files, and you can simply keep a list of dependencies that you need in your Docker file for proper development. You can also do stuff like local linting, not just in the CI pipeline, and automate the dumb stuff over which people often fight because there is not a clear consensus. But people continue fighting for a long time. You can, of course, offer scalable resources. So this should be a strong point if you're hiring people around the globe. And especially if you're doing something like microservice development, you'll need, 16 cores, 64 gigabytes of RAM, maybe sometimes. Giving them a remote development environment gives you something which you can easily scale. You don't have to deliver new hardware to the person that's working in that position. It's accessible from anywhere in a secure manner. So we're talking about, you will be using the standard now strong security tools available to us, like two-factor authentication, centralized authentication management, LDAP, and you can combine that with these tools to make sure it is secure. Easy onboarding, easy standard enforcement. So what happens if you're a developer in a new company? You'll be spending 2, 3, maybe 6 months learning from a colleague who will be your onboarding buddy. This is how we do things around here. These are the tools that we use. These are the things you shouldn't do, but we actually do here. And these are the things you should do, but you can't do here. Type of stuff. And that's a lot of wasted energy here. You should be able to have better governance in the software sense and have easier onboarding using these types of tools. But it does take effort. You need to actually then make these policies and create those environments or create those environment blueprints.